with the residential assistants around, it's like you have a friend as soon as you come here, really. I'm Sam and I study creative writing and English literature. So I'm a residential assistant, and we're here just to help the first years, so anything that they might need, ranging from how to cook pasta to like as major as you can think, really. We're here every night of the week just to be there, be a helping hand and just make sure that everything's okay. It's a very nervous thing to come to university and is a very big move, even though a lot of people do play it down. But yeah, a big thing, like you get to know your flatmates, and with the residential assistants around, it's like you have a friend as soon as you come here, really. So I just quite like to act as a friend, be there to help. Anything that they might need, I'd like to be there for. So it's better to put yourself out there. So the more you put yourself out there, even if nothing happens, the more you try, something's going to happen. If you join society, it was a massive help for me as well. So I've joined cricket. And so you have your flatmates. If you have societies, just go out as long as you feel comfortable doing it. I'd say do it. And then even if you don't, sometimes it's better to just get outside the comfort box.